Good morning, people. It is 5 a.m. And just like Mel Robbins said, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, let's go. Okay, it's a couple of minutes past 5 and disco party is on. Right, it's early morning, the light is still a little bit fuzzy outside, it's not still really going on, but I don't know if you can hear it, we got music, we have to shake that ass and we have to get some movement in our body. Yep, it's 10. We did our dancing, so it's a cool down period, and I'm gonna hit the shower now. I feel alive. The cold showers, man. I still can't get used to it, but it feels good, so that's why I do it. My breakfast, so this is actually how it looks like. It's with strawberries now, frozen strawberries, oatmeal, a banana, and 250 milliliters of water. Cheers. So I'm done journaling, and now I actually make sure that I know what I'm doing here. That's why I'm doing it for, right? Think like a hero, perform like a genius, live life like a legend. That's the reason why. Master your life. Okay, now up, learning. So I'm gonna read and I'm going to watch a online course, and I have a couple of things, online platforms where I follow different courses. So I follow on Mike Dillard's platform from The Self-Made Man, I use Open Circles, and I use Ty Lopez 67 steps. And yes, the 67 steps is like the 60-day challenge, 66-day challenge, but a little different, but it comes to the same background. So let's do that right now. So it's time for reading. I love reading here at my couch at home and just with the brand new day, sunlight shining at the pages of, in this case, Think and Grow Rich from Napoleon Hill. So welcome to my office. It's now 6:42, so 6:45, and I'm ready for my 90 minutes of deep work. So welcome to my office. It's a little bit messy, but you know, I got my computer here, I got everything that I need, my textbooks, I got my books that I can, you know, look up things. So it's I'm gonna work on the one thing that's the main issue right now for me, the one thing that I can, you know, have to do for myself, the most important thing to do for myself, and to be most impactful to humanity. That's how Sharma described it. What is it? Well, actually it is building my business. So I've started my business 1.5 year ago, but have been going full-time doing this for 6 months ago. So using that, using the internet as a part of the business, creating concepts, creating new products and ideas that can help you guys improve your life, find and create your happiness. That's what I do. I am a personality coach, as you might know, and I help people to find and create their happiness. And doing that by things like these challenges, like what I do today, right? The 66 days challenge or whatever it takes. So if you want to know more about that, check masteryourpersonality.com. There you can see my work. But yeah, let's hit it. The 90 minutes deep work. So it's 8:23, so I'm done with the 90 minutes of deep work. Not finished working because I'm really into the zone, so I think I'm gonna add another 90 minutes for it. But it's gonna be the rest of the day now, so I'm already pumped up. Now you've seen what my 3.5 hours routine is in the morning. I hope you enjoyed watching that, and I hope it inspires you as well to keep on doing this this challenge. I think we can achieve so much more if we really put our minds to it. So go for that. I know you can do this. If I can, you can as well. Why not, right? So keep it up, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.